Today we're checking out the CompCams Stage 2 HRT 220/230 Hydraulic Roller Camshaft Kit for the 2009 to 2023 5.7 liter Hemi and the 6.4 liter Hemi Charger. If you've got a Hemi that feels strong down low but runs out of steam up top, or you just want that harder pull and more aggressive attitude without going full race car, a cam kit like this is one of the upgrades that you can do, and it's definitely worth checking out. This is a Stage 2 cam kit that's built to wake up your Charger by letting that Hemi breathe better, plain and simple. These camshafts utilize the most advanced lobe design engineered by CompCams. Stage 1 performance camshafts provide superior horsepower and torque over stock without the need to replace the valve springs. Stage 2 and 3 are going to provide maximum power boost for your Hemi, utilizing CompCams Beehive and conical valve springs for the best engine performance possible. This Stage 2 is basically the sweet spot for a lot of people who want a real performance jump without turning the car into something that's miserable to drive on a day-to-day basis. What that means in real-world terms is that you're going to be pushing the power band higher and making the engine pull harder through the mid-range and the top end of the RPMs. So it feels more alive when you roll into it on the highway or out there at the track. The operating range on this setup is aimed at 1900 up to 7000 plus RPM, which tells you right away that this is not just a tiny stock plus cam. This is meant to make real power when you're actually leaning into that throttle hard. What makes this kit a smart move versus buying random parts one by one is that it's a full package deal, not just a camshaft. You're going to be getting matching valve train pieces that matter, like push rods, retainers, locks, seals, and valve springs, so you're not guessing what works together or risking valve float because you've tried to cheap out on the supporting stuff. And it's also vehicle and application specific with Dyno-Proven gains. So the whole point is predictable results instead of throwing parts together and hoping it works. The bottom line is that this is going to be the right fit for you if you want a Charger that feels stronger, has more aggressive of a personality, and pulls harder up top in that higher RPM range without jumping into a full race engine build. Pair it with the usual supporting mods like a better intake and better exhaust flow and that proper tune, and this is the kind of change that you're going to notice a huge difference the second you get back in that driver's seat. When it comes to the construction on this, you're going to be getting a high quality billet steel polished camshaft as the centerpiece, which is exactly what you want for strength and durability in a performance setup like this. And since this is the full kit, it's going to come with all the supporting valve train hardware like push rods, retainers, locks, seals, and valve springs. So everything is matched to work perfectly together instead of mixing random parts. The whole package is also an American made and a built as an application specific setup, which is what you want when you're doing something as important as the valve train. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the $1,300 price range. That price point is about exactly where a legit performance cam kit should land in my opinion, because you're paying for a matched package that includes the key valve train parts that we talked about, and it's designed around real tested performance. This is one of those buys where spending the money on a high quality kit up front can save you headaches in the long run and get you better results. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in 4 hours of your time. This is a pretty involved install process, so if you aren't 100% confident in your abilities to get this job done right, then just go ahead and hire a professional or go to a shop and have this job done correctly for you. All right, that's going to wrap up our review of the CompCams Stage 2 HRT 220/230 Hydraulic Roller Camshaft Kit for the 2009 to 2023 5.7 liter Hemi and the 6.4 liter Hemi Charger. And for all things Charger, keep it right here at American Muscle.